been living on the road for so long, trying to find a place where I belong. But every time I open up my heart, I end up getting hurt and torn apart. I don't know who to trust anymore. Everyone seems to have a hidden score. They say they love me, but they always lie. They only want to use me and say goodbye. So I keep on moving from town to town, trying to drown my sorrows in the sand. My guitar and the songs I sing, but they don't fill the emptiness within. Find someone who's true, someone who will love me like I do. But I've been burned so long, but I've been burned so many times before, that I can't trust anyone anymore.